everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at an absolutely gorgeous 1966 Pontiac LeMans convertible. Stunning car. I actually bought this car locally a little over a year ago. Sold it to a great customer of ours, Mike. Matter of fact, him and I do a trade every year. He's probably had, God, I can't remember, 7, 8 cars from us. But nice car. Again, local guy, had a complete frame-off restoration done to this car just 4 or 5 years ago. There's not many miles on the car. Great car. A lot of aftermarket suspension stuff on it, which is super cool. Car really hits the road good. Love the color combination. This is a barrier blue with the ivory interior. It's got a good running 326 cubic inch V8 underneath the hood. You can see it's got aftermarket wheels, 4-wheel disc brakes, bunch of Detroit speed suspension underneath it. The chrome and stainless is nice. Again, gorgeous barrier blue metallic. It's got a heavier metallic than what the factory would have been, but sorry, there's a little dust there. But nice car, man. Turn the key, take it right to a car show. Dual chrome mirrors. It does have a new white convertible top. It's power top. Power top works good. Love the ivory interior. We do have a boot for it as well. Very, very nice car, guys. Love the tail lights on these cars. Little blemishes in your bumper there. Nice and straight down the sides. Car sits good. It's got those American Racing torque thrusts all the way around. I think it's got Goodyear Eagle tires. You can see it's got the GTO chrome tips on it. I'm going to clean off. There's something on there. I don't know. I'll have to see if we can clean those off. Pretty color combination. Wilwood 4-wheel disc brakes. If you want a nice car to just jump in and cruise, I think you are going to love this car. It's got the slotted and drilled rotors. It's got the bigger brakes on the front. What a car. 326 here, 4-barrel stock intake and exhaust manifolds. You can see he's got the March billet pulley system on it with the brackets and everything. Power steering, power 4-wheel disc brakes, HEI distributor. You can see it's got tubular control arms on it, adjustable coil-overs. It's got Detroit speed front and rear sway bars. It's got a 700 R4 automatic overdrive transmission. Could not come close to building this car for what we're asking for. I'll tell you that right now. I'll tell you what this car is screaming for is an LS conversion. The way they've done all that suspension and everything, but I mean, it runs so sweet. I wouldn't mess with it. I bought a little truck for myself and I was going to do the same thing, and it's actually got a 6-cylinder in it, and It runs so good, heck, I'm gonna leave it alone. Stainless is nice, new door handles. That ivory interior's all new, new carpet, new sill plates. They've redone the seats. Again, power top, factory bucket seats with the center console, factory dash. Showing 32,000. There is not but a few thousand miles on this car, guys. AM FM Delco radio. Clock works. Man, I'm drawing a blank on the rear gear and stuff. We'll make sure that gets in the ad, guys. I know it's got adjustable shocks on the rear. See, it still has panels on the corner panels. It's got this fat mat throughout the car. That's throughout the car. So it keeps it nice and quiet, just like Dynamat. Jack with spares here in the trunk. Boot does go with it. That's a pretty car, man. Gorgeous underneath. Just a good car. Gorgeous car. A little touch up right there on your paint. Looks like it's got all the factory correct seat belts. Again, repadded, refoamed these seats. Dash pad looks great. Gauges are nice and clean in there. A lot of car for the money, guys. I'll tell you that right now. Again, runs and drives just as sweet as can be. That's a nice car, man. Fuel gauge works, everything else is just on the lights. Again, the clock works in there. Doors open and close nice. Love these tail lights. Backup lights work. Radio works, blower motor works. Wipers are functional. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video, guys. Great way to keep track of us. Make sure you do that. It's just a little wax in there, guys. You can see that in the door. It's a little wax.